Alright guys, we're going to do a little cold start video on the LT today. It's been kind of stored away because, you know, the freezing winter weather. Sorry, I'm trying to get into this freaking shed. There she is. It's been sitting inside here for about 3 weeks now. I ran into a little mishap. I thought I had the jetting right on it, and it turns out I had my valves too tight. So I had to more or less start rejetting the top end of this thing again. The lower end's alright, still a little on the lean side. We're gonna push it outside. This thing has been started in about probably 3 weeks now. Grab her by the bumper, she's cold. About 3 weeks now, it ain't been started. So, and I'm on my camera here, so it's gonna be a little difficult, but we'll get it. But yeah, you guys know the LT. I know some of you have been asking where she's at. So put it on full choke, make sure the fuel's on, give her a couple taps of the throttle. She should light off in the first couple kicks, but I cannot guarantee that. It is cold out, it's about 15 degrees. Whoa, cold. Whoa. Real cold. Combat doesn't really do anything, but oh, buddy, she got a fight. Love a good fight. Combat. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, she's cold. Real cold, guys. She'll go though. Combat. Oh man. Bombat. She'll pick it up, guys. Almost. She just needs to idle for a minute. Oh yeah, my foot's starting to get a little sore now, guys. Almost. Oh yeah, I don't know, guys. Oh, she wants to. Almost, guys. Oh, she pissy. Oh no. Reserve, right? Yep. She is, but I'm going to take her in and start getting her ready on the jetting. You know? Get her ready for next year. See you guys.